Hello folks, this time I'm tapping the single pin pick. It is this brass 5-pin Wilson Bohannon padlock. A lovely wee hefty padlock these. This one was sent to me by Snyder. Thanks again, Michael. There's your keyway. So the R5 pin. They do work sort of bilaterally, so you can open that way, and they also open counterclockwise as well. So there you are, we're locked up again. There's the bearing on the keys, as you can see. It's not bad. Just going to use top keyway tension and this lifter. It's a clone one. Okay, just starting at the back. Just picked open. So that's your 5-pin brass Wilson Bohannon. Thanks very much for watching, folks, and thanks again to Michael Snyder. I like these looks a lot. Take care and all the best now. Bye bye.